Hi everyone, this is Martin from Wildland. Today I'm going to show you this creative LED light named Hemp Rope Light to You. This is one of my favorite products, and now let's have a review of it. The biggest feature of this hemp rope lantern is its unique design. This handle here is made of hemp, which means it is environmentally friendly and it's classic. And also you could detach this from the lamp and you can hang it up in the trees or somewhere you want. This is our unique design and our patented product called Hemp Rope Lantern. In front of the lamp, there is a main switch here. Long press this one. You could turn it on, and by rotating it, you can even adjust the brightness. Inside the lamp, there is our patented product named Apple Bulb. One more single press at the main switch here. You can even adjust the color temperature as well. So at the bottom of this hemp rope lamp, you can see that there is a slot here. This is for battery slots. We can unscrew the bolts with a screwer. And then to open these battery slots. As we open it, we can see that inside we will support two kinds of batteries. These two are rechargeable 1865V batteries. You can put it like here. Or you could put 3 of these AA batteries like this way to support and provide the power of the lamp. And also at the back, here is the charging port. You could charge the batteries, use this port, and another output is for power bank function. You could use this power bank function to charge your mobile phone as well. At the back, there is a charging port here. You could open it and charge these two batteries with input port. And next to it, there is an output port, which means you can use it as a power bank to charge your mobile phone as well. Well, that's the brief introduction of this hemp rope lamp. If you are interested in our products, please visit our website. And this is Martin. See you next time.